Hello, my name is Hannah. I work here at Pennyroyal Ford here in Kentucky. I'll be going over some helpful tips and tricks on the FordPass app, some troubleshooting for you as the customer and also the dealership. And hopefully you'll learn a little bit of something and your problem will be solved after watching this video. First, I'll go over tips on creating the account. There are things that'll make your life easier when actually first creating the account. The second thing I'll go over is rules for FordPass. These are just common known rules that the dealership should know and you should know as well as the customer. I'll next go over some common problems and issues that might arise during setup or use of the FordPass app. I also go over some service issues with the FordPass. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and also our other social media platforms. We do have a video on our YouTube channel, how to activate and connect your FordPass. Please watch that video before watching this helpful tip video so that things make more sense to you. I will have the link in the description below and also clipped here. First, we'll be going over tips on creating your FordPass account. One major tip I always tell my customers is to double check your email and your password. There's a lot of typos that happen in these two sections, and you want to make sure that there's going to be no problems in the future. Remember your login and username. Your username and login you can always write down on a piece of paper or keep in a log somewhere on your phone. Then take that information to your service department. Make sure that they have the same exact email that you used for your account. This way your points can run smoothly. Tip number 2 is address, name, and filling out all that information when you first create your account. Please make sure that it is the same exact information that you gave your dealership so that the points run smoothly. Also in the address section, you'll be asked to put in a phone number. This is optional, but I highly suggest that you put this in there. In case you have extra users on the account, you can authorize them through text message. If the system is being overall slow, just clear your history or so-called cache on your phone. You can also refresh your app page by swiping down. If you go into your FordPass account and click the Account tab, you'll see your name and then the member ID number. You should give this to whoever is going to fill out your Ford sales paperwork so they can enter that into the computer system for Ford. This way your points run smoothly and you might even get your points faster. Common rules for the FordPass app. You must accept terms and conditions within 60 days from your purchase. So as long as you do that, you will earn your points. Points usually show up anywhere from 3 to 30 days after the purchase. So if they don't show up right away, it's okay, they might just take a while. If not, you should definitely call the FordPass Rewards phone number. Regular customers purchasing Ford vehicles should get around 42,000 points. For diesel, it's a little bit more at 72,000 points. Certified pre-owned vehicles also get points, but they vary. So please ask your dealership or sales rep. If there is no points activity, meaning redeem or earning your points, within 365 days since the day that you got it, especially on that initial purchase points, you can lose them. They do expire. Fleet vehicles. Vehicles purchased by a company or major discounted situations do not get the FordPass points. So be sure that if you do have one, you do not get the other. Common problems setting up the app. If you are having issues or trouble downloading the app, I suggest that you first check out your Wi-Fi or data usage and see if it's good to go. Also, you should see if your phone is updated. This could cause some problems as well. And just overall, your phone or FordPass app should be updated regularly. If you are having trouble adding the vehicle to your app, try going to owner.ford.com. Log in and go into your account settings. Here you can add the VIN number to add the vehicle. Then log back into the app and refresh it if needed. If you end up pressing the activation button before the vehicle is started, or just in general the activation vehicle button is just giving you problems and just stuck on pending activation, you should do a little trick I call the song and dance. If the vehicle is not already turned on, turn it on and then turn it off. Take the key out, open the door, close the door, wait a few seconds, then open your door, close your door, and turn the vehicle's engine back on. This will hopefully refresh the app. If you also log out and then log back into your app. If this doesn't work, you should also try a master reset. This is done by going onto your vehicle screen. But first, click on your settings, then General Settings. Scroll down and click Master Reset. Let the vehicle master reset and then try the activation again. You may also need to take it a step further by taking the vehicle off of your app by going to the Vehicle tab. Then scroll down and hit Remove Vehicle. Remove the vehicle completely and then add it again. If this is still causing you issues, I would suggest calling the FordPass Guides. Service tips and common issues. Always make sure you let your service or parts department know that you are a FordPass owner. This will help them take the appropriate actions to helping you, whether you want to use or earn points. Overall, you should make sure that your service and parts department have the correct email/username that you used for your account, and also have them attach it through their system to your VIN number. This way, points run smoothly. If your service department is having problems seeing the points show up, usually this is a terms and conditions error. If you also log out and then log back into your app, and a pop-up should appear on your screen. Hit the Accept Terms and Conditions pop-up. If this does not work, go to owner.ford.com, go to your account settings, and a pop-up should appear on your screen. Hit the Accept Terms and Conditions pop-up and you should be good from here. If you did not earn or receive any points from a recent service or parts purchase, you should call the FordPass Rewards number. Make sure you have the receipt given to you by the parts or service department and give them the information needed. They will give you a case number and your points should be awarded to you if everything checks out. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is one of those videos where I hope that nobody needs to watch it, but if you do, I hope it was helpful. Like I said, you can always call the FordPass Rewards or the FordPass Guide Support Center, and they would be happy to help you.